Hey guys, it's John V. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really pretty purple makeup look. I usually don't do any eyeshadow looks with purple, so I really like how this one turned out. And the skin's just really nice and full coverage and really nice and glowy and blushy. And I also did pink lips today, which is something I never do. Yeah, if you want to figure out how to get this eyeshadow face, whatever purple sparkly look, keep watching. So I've already filled in my eyebrows, the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and then I went ahead and I concealed them with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So to start out the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with a transition shade, the shade Unconditional, which is just a light brown shade. Once I'm done going in with the transitional shade, I'm going to go in with the next darkest color in the palette, medium brown. It's called On Fire. I'm going to be focusing that more into my crease to deepen that up. Next, I'm going to go in with an even darker brown. I'm going to use the dark brown shade at the corner Ode with this e.l.f. contour brush. I'm going to be focusing that more into my crease and my outer V. Next, I'm going to go in with a deep purple color, the shade Daydream. I'm going to be using a pencil brush. I'm going to be focusing this more into my outer V just to deepen that up. Once I'm done adding all of my browns and my deep purples, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Macedamia, and this small little concealer brush. And when I cut it, I also kind of flared it out at the end too. I'm gonna go in with a purple shimmer color, Fierce, from the Pretty Fun and Fearless palette. And I'm gonna apply that a little bit at the edge to merge it more with the dark brown. Next, I'm going to dip into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette with that shade Amethyst, and I'm going to put that at the inner part of the cut crease. I'm going to go to my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to go in with that purple shimmer color called Royalty. I'm going to be placing this right next to Amethyst. Once I'm done with the purples, I'm going to fill in that little gap on my cut crease, the shade Cashmere from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Once I'm done with the cut crease, I'm going to go in and add a little bit of liner over the cut crease. And this is an e.l.f. glitter eyeliner, and it's in pink opal. Once I'm done with the glitter eyeliner, I'm going to go in with a regular eyeliner and just do a little wing. Now I'm going to add some mascara and falsies, the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to start on my face. So I'm going to prime with the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Next, I'm going to place some of the Clinique Airbrush Concealer in the shade Medium 02 right underneath my eyes. This has a pinkish undertone, so it will help to correct some of the purples underneath your eyes. While I'm letting that dry for a little bit, I'm going to move on to foundation. I'm going to be mixing the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in the shade 5.5 Warm Honey and the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 7.5. e.l.f. foundation brush. It's kind of like a kabuki brush. Now I'm going to move on to a concealer, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. Placing that on top of the other Clinique concealer. And then I'm going to be blending them together with a beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be cream contouring. I go in with the Fenty matchsticks in the shade Mocha. I'm going to be blending out the contour with this dense face brush. I'm going to be blending out my nose contour with an e.l.f. contour brush. And with your nose contour, you want to make sure you blend it out into your brow bone. Next, I'm going to be baking underneath my eyes with the Mercier brightening under eye powder. Next, I'm going to be setting my face with the MAC mineral powder in the shade dark golden with this really big fluffy face brush. I'm going to be baking underneath my cheekbones with the Smashbox loose powder, the shade light neutral. Next, I'm going to be adding blush. I'm going to be using the Milani blush with this e.l.f. angled blush brush. Now I'm going to be wiping off the bake underneath my cheekbones and underneath my eyes with the same fluffy base brush. Next, I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Now I'm going to be going back to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting some eyeshadow right underneath my eyes. Purple shade Flirt. Next, I'm going to be highlighting my face with the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, and I'm going to be using this highlighter brush. Now I'm going to be setting my makeup using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I just sprayed my setting spray, but I realized that I forgot to do my lower lash line mascara, so I'm going to do that really quick. I'm just going to be using the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to be going on to lips. I want to do more of a pinky glossy lip today. I'm going to be using these three products. The first one is a pink Clinique lipstick. In the center of that, I'm going to be applying this MAC lipstick. It's more nude and brown. And then on top of all of that, I'm going to be applying this Victoria's Secret Metallic Glow lip gloss. And that completes the makeup look. It's really pretty and the skin's really glowy, and I really like the purple in the eye. I usually don't do any eyeshadow looks with purple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to smash the thumbs up button down below and subscribe, and comment what makeup looks you want to see next. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.